Here's a legal trick to cut your electricity bill in half this winter. But hurry because power suppliers are already trying it. Singapore has banned it. With this simple power strip, you can cut your electricity bill by 80 to in just 1 month, saving thousands of sheikh over the next few years. But be careful. All energy companies in Singapore are doing their best to prevent this from happening. They use this trick because it puts their profits at risk. They make it available to you no matter how much electricity you use. It all started with Michael Stevens, a 43-year-old electrical engineer from Birmingham. He noticed something strange about his rapidly increasing electricity bill. Despite all the austerity measures, turning off lights, unplugging appliances, using TOs, his bills continued to rise month after month. Having worked for the power company for more than 2 decades, he knew that this didn't make sense. Determined to get to the bottom of it, Michael started checking his power system. After weeks of testing, he discovered the problem. In fact, 90% of Singaporean households are constantly consuming more electricity. The grid sends unstable voltage through the sockets when you need it, and the unused power just bleeds away in the cables. But beware, households are still wasting money on this. It gets worse. This unnoticed overvoltage damages household appliances, causing them to overheat and break down faster. As an electrical engineer, Michael immediately understood what was going on. But when he dug deeper into the matter, he came across as something more calm. They discovered that the power company was behind this by transmitting unstable voltage, which allowed the unscrupulous company to trick households into using more electricity than they actually were. Although this energy was invisible to the average consumer, people didn't even know they were paying for it. And as Michael realized, it was a perfidious ploy that forced every household in Singapore to pay inflated electricity bills. His own employer was behind this practice. He was disgusted by it. So one day, he quit his job and decided to solve the problem himself. Despite having over 20 years of experience as an electrical engineer, Michael knew he couldn't do it alone. So he turned to 4 old friends at Cambridge University, all of whom were engineers and researchers he trusted. They worked tirelessly in the lab for 8 months, testing every idea they could think of. But unfortunately, after months of frustration, all attempts failed and nothing seemed to be working. Just when they were ready to give up, Michael made a personal sacrifice. He sold his car to finance the final series of tests, and it was during the last round of tests that they found a breakthrough. They were surprised to find that the device not only worked, but was more effective than they had expected. They tested the device in more than 600 homes in Singapore. The filtering funnel called Electra 7, with the help of advanced capacitors, eliminates unused current that causes overheating of energy supply and household appliances. By stabilizing the current, Electra ensures that only the energy actually needed comes from the network. This avoids energy supply and significantly reduces electricity bills. The working principle of the Electra service is very simple. Just plug it into any socket in the house, preferably close to a safe measure, and once it is plugged in, it will start immediately. Optimize the current and prevent voltage ratios and fluctuations. The result is a smooth energy consumption that not only saves money, it also extends the life of the device. What they didn't expect was that after the first prototypes were launched, Electra Semi quickly became a must-have for homeowners who want to reduce their electricity bills by 80%. Today, Electra is used by thousands of households who are tired of exorbitant electricity bills. This is currently the easiest way to reduce costs and extend the life of your device without having to worry about complicated installation or lifestyle changes. Although it is currently completely legal to own and use the Electra Semi, energy companies are looking for ways to remove it from the market, because it poses a huge threat to their profits. Stricter regulatory measures may be introduced if it becomes too common. Due to this pressure, Electra service is not available in retail stores or on major platforms such as Amazon or eBay. It can only be ordered directly from the official website. There is a buy one get one free promotion today, but stocks are almost low. Once sold out, there is no guarantee when or if Electra will be available again. Michael offers a 180-day money-back guarantee for every citizen in Singapore, which means you can try it completely risk-free. If it does not reduce your costs by at least 7 sa, get an unconditional refund and don't let energy companies take advantage of you again. Click the link below to experience a significant reduction in your electricity bill as early as next month.